Hey everybody, welcome back to Inside Japan. It's been a big year for digital streaming services with the global pandemic keeping people at home. We took a look at the Disney Theater service, which was an alternative to Disney Plus made just for Japan. But last June, Disney Plus officially debuted here, so we decided to give the Japanese version of the service a try. So let's check it out. The service costs about $7 a month, but luckily when I signed up, the first month was free. In order to sign up, it seems that you need to have a D account provided by Docomo. On top of that, you will also need a Disney account, as in the service used in the Disney parks here. Google Translate in Chrome should be able to help offer everything in fairly understandable English. It also seems that the PayPal and US credit cards won't work here, so you will need a Japanese credit card for the billing. With that out of the way, I was finally able to log in. I enjoyed being able to watch WandaVision as well as Falcon and the Winter Soldier. I did find that The Simpsons had just the first dozen seasons, so I'm guessing it's definitely not 100% content complete when compared to the US version, but everything I expected to see was there. Programming is available with either English or Japanese audio, with subtitles in both languages as well, which is especially great if you want to watch it with anyone who isn't a native English speaker. While Netflix varies content by region, one account will work anywhere in the world. I ran into a bit of a snag when I was looking to play videos on the big screen. I was surprised to find that the Japanese PlayStation Store didn't have a Disney Plus app. And while the American store had the app, it didn't recognize my Japanese account details. So it seems that watching videos in a browser or through apps on an Apple device are my only options at the moment. I recently tried seeing what the cancellation process was like. I tried canceling the day before the service auto-renewed, but I found I couldn't, as the service only keeps standard banking hours, which was a bit frustrating. So as for my takeaways, if you plan to watch with somebody who would appreciate Japanese subtitles, there's a lot of good stuff to watch, but the setup process isn't exactly easy. If you're looking for the full catalog, or you don't have a Japanese credit card, Marco assures me that you can watch American Disney Plus if you use a VPN. In any case, we hope you find our quick look at watching Disney Plus in Japan helpful. Make sure to check out our other videos covering what we love about living here. Thanks for watching. This has been Inside Japan.